So now we'll be going over some questions and answer, because when a person is teaching and there is no feedback, then no learning took place. So right now we'll be doing some questions and answer. And the first question says, pituitary disorder can be due to either A says too much pituitary hormone secretion, too little pituitary hormone secretion, too much or little pituitary hormone secretion, tumor of the pituitary gland. So which is the correct answer? We all know that pituitary disorder can be due to too much or little pituitary hormone secretion. So pituitary disorder, which is when there is a tumor like pituitary adenoma, is going to cause either hypersecretion or hyposecretion. And hypersecretion of maybe a cortisol is going to cause Cushing'S syndrome. Why hypo is going to cause Addison disease. So note that pituitary disorder can be due to either too much or little pituitary hormone secretion. Now, the second question says, Cushing's syndrome occurs mostly A, when the body produces less cortisol, okay, B, when the body hormone digests itself, C, when there is a tumor in the pituitary gland, and then when the body produces too much cortisol. In our definition of cortisol, we made mention that Cushing's syndrome is due to prolonged exposure to cortisol, which is a hormone released by the adrenal gland, specifically at the adrenal cortex, and it can be due to endogenous, which is the body producing excessive cortisol, or exogenous, which is taking some corticosteroid medication. And exogenous, what causes it is pituitary adenoma to pituitary tumor, causing excessive secretion of this cortisol. So here the correct answer here is option C, which is when there is a tumor in the pituitary gland causing the secretion of this cortisol. Option D